Is it the right time to make a decision about Netflix stock? In this video, we will delve deeper into Netflix. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 4, 2024, our system has ranked Netflix as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, Netflix has exceeded our expectations, with a gain of 18.4% since our initial recommendation to buy it 15 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has been returning 1.23% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Due to recent developments, we are unable to determine the stock's future direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend and is showing an even stronger rate of rising. If there is any pullback, it will find support at $533.18, which used to be the roof of the previous trend. This could present a second opportunity for growth. According to fan theory, the next possible trend top level is $576.93. This level may act as resistance, possibly requiring multiple attempts to break through. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 17.59% change in the next 3 months, with a return range of 2.41% to 11.56%. On a longer-term perspective, the 12-month trend suggests a 40.47% change over the next year, with a potential return between -2.62% and 40.6%. This means the price could range from $547.30 to $790.15 after 12 months. Our latest update on Netflix brings good news: a green day on Thursday for the streaming giant. On the last trading day, Thursday, January 25, 2024, Netflix's stock price increased by 3.14%, climbing from $544.87 to $562. This marks its 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward momentum continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $548.47 and a high of $563.46, representing a 2.73% change. In the past 10 days, the stock price has risen on 6 occasions and is up by 17.49% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the trading volume decreased by 17 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $5.27 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume accompanied by higher prices may indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the market in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, Netflix's stock reached its highest price at $563.46 and its lowest price at $285.33. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 0.26% or $1.46 below its 52-week high. Moreover, it is 19.83% or $138.99 below its all-time high, which was recorded on November 17, 2021, when the price reached $700.99. In this video, we will discuss the recent analyst ratings for Netflix NFLX. Let's start with the latest report on Wednesday, January 24, 2024. Macquarie gave Netflix an outperform grade with an upgrade action. Moving on to Tuesday, January 23, 2024, Goldman Sachs rated Netflix as neutral with a hold action. Another report from the same day by Wedbush gave Netflix an outperform grade but advised to hold. UBS rated Netflix as a buy with a hold action on Tuesday, January 23, 2024. Lastly, on the same day, Morgan Stanley gave Netflix an overweight grade but recommended to hold. Analysts have given Netflix stock a general rating of buy. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its P/E ratio and price-to-book ratio. Additionally, they consider the stock a good investment in terms of return on investment. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Netflix. When analyzing the Netflix stock, we can see that it currently holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This is a positive indication for the stock's performance. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. On corrections down, the stock is expected to find support from the lines at $504.77 and $482.67. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by 19.96%. This suggests that further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it's worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it's important to closely watch the stock's performance. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is showing a buy signal. Pivots have indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger Bands have shown a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average has shown a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 59 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal 49 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to find more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Netflix. Netflix has found support from accumulated volume at $544.87. This means that there is a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support level is being tested. When it comes to risk, Netflix has average movements during the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the recent data, the stock moved $14.99 between its high and low in the last day, representing a 2.73% change. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.04%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Netflix, let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This ratio helps us understand how a company's current share price compares to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate strong future growth. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on April 16, 2024. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Netflix. We can see that there isn't any significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating the stock could experience a swift upward movement given the right conditions. In such a scenario, it might be wise to enter a position and closely monitor the volume to determine the ideal exit point. On the downside, Netflix faces its first support level at $544.87. If this support level holds, it could present a great opportunity for entry, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Netflix is buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On January 2, 2024, Kilgore Leslie J. conducted an insider buy of 134 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On January 2, 2024, Newman Spencer Adam conducted an insider buy of 3,113 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On January 2, 2024, Haley Timothy M. conducted an insider buy of 134 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On January 2, 2024, Barton Richard N. conducted an insider buy of 134 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On January 2, 2024, Dopfner Matthias conducted an insider buy of 133 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -14.663. Overall, insiders have purchased 90,724 shares and sold 123,438 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $543.77, which represents a decrease of 3.24%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. It's important to note that the RSI 14, a technical indicator, is currently at 83, which significantly increases the risk involved. Furthermore, there is a buy signal that was generated from a pivot bottom that was identified 16 days ago. Is Netflix stock a good buy? While Netflix holds several positive signals, we believe that it is not yet a strong buy candidate. Instead, we suggest considering it as a hold candidate or accumulating more shares while waiting for further development. Our analysis of the volatility and movements for the last trading day indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, January 26, we anticipate Netflix to open down by $4.02 and start trading at $557.98. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. Therefore, we strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for this stock? Let's dive in and explore together.